Hola clase, welcome to week 8. This is the week of the oral midterm. So this week you don't have any assignments on Portales on VHL. All you have to do this week is prepare for the oral midterm, and also you will have to do a peer review of the oral presentation that you had to do for this last week. So first, regarding the oral midterm, please make sure that you have good internet connection and be ready to record via Adobe Connect 10 minutes before your scheduled exam time. Adobe Connect is up here in D2L, but here you have a video on how to use it. It's very simple to use, but please make sure you watch this video before the oral midterm. So for the oral midterm, what you have to do, you have to prepare those 5 dialogues that I sent out in a PDF last week. So you prepare those 5 dialogues, and then I will ask you to do one of them. So I won't be really participating in the conversation. It will be a dialogue between you and your partner, and then I might ask a few questions at the end of the dialogue, but that's it. It shouldn't last more than 3 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions about the oral exam. And then about the oral presentation peer review, you have to go to discussions, watch your partner's oral presentation. Okay, so again, you are going to review the presentation of the person that you've been working with for the oral dialogues for the whole semester, and reply to the discussion board with 3 things that you learned from your partner's presentation. Make 1 comment on what your partner did well and 1 comment on what your partner could improve. And this is very important. You will not receive full credit for your peer review if you do not address all of these questions. For the peer review of the composition, some of you wrote like just 1 sentence or 2. That is not going to work. You have to answer all of these questions about the oral presentation, otherwise you won't get full credit. You can answer these questions in English if you want. So remember, you have to go to discussions, go to oral presentation number 1, find your partner's presentation, click here, you watch it, and then you replied answering the questions that I have just reviewed and that you have here under content. So for this week, you have the peer review of the oral presentation and the oral midterm. Let me know if you have any questions, and buena suerte.